Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan yogurt right in your own kitchen. To begin, you'll need just two main ingredients: 1 liter of your preferred plant-based milk and the contents of 2 probiotic capsules. Ensure your milk is unsweetened and unflavored for the best results, as this provides a neutral base for the fermentation process. This simple combination is the foundation for creamy, homemade goodness, offering a healthy and customizable alternative to store-bought options. The type of plant milk you select significantly impacts your yogurt's final texture. For a wonderfully thick and creamy result, I highly recommend using soy milk, cashew milk, or full-fat canned coconut milk. While almond and oat milks can work, they often yield a thinner yogurt. Always opt for varieties without added sugars, flavors, or thickeners, as these can hinder the beneficial bacteria from doing their job effectively during the fermentation process, ensuring a pure and consistent batch. Once your milk is chosen, gently warm 1 liter of it to approximately 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for activating the probiotics. Carefully open 2 probiotic capsules and stir their contents into the warm milk until fully dissolved. Transfer the mixture to a clean jar, cover it, and place it in a warm spot, like an oven with just the light on, for 8 to 12 hours. The longer it ferments, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. After fermentation, move your yogurt to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This chilling process stops the fermentation and helps it thicken even more. Now comes the fun part: flavoring. Stir in fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, a dash of vanilla extract, or a sprinkle of cinnamon to taste. Store your delicious homemade vegan yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and enjoyable for up to 5 days. Enjoy your healthy, personalized creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.